Hey everyone, so today we're going to be building a very useful script that with one command will create a repository on GitHub and push your first commit. So what we want this script to do exactly is to first take in the repo name when it's run, then navigate to GitHub through a browser, log into your account, create a repo with the given name, then locally it's going to create a new folder, initialize this folder with Git, create a readme file, and then finally push the first commit to GitHub. Oh, and by the way, this is something I've first seen Kalle Halden do, and I thought it was too good not to try myself. I'm going to start by first trying to get the script to navigate to GitHub through a browser, which I know is going to be using Selenium, which I have no experience with, but let's see how we get on. Good news, I now have the basics of Selenium working. It did require that a driver be downloaded for your browser, but now when I run the code, it will actually open a Google Chrome instance and navigate to my GitHub page. It's nice that this is working, but now we're actually going to have to get Selenium to interact with the page in order to sign in and eventually actually create the repository. So that's what I'm going to work on now. We actually have the script trying to log into GitHub now. Obviously I gave it the wrong username and password, so it didn't work, but the fact that I tried is good. So now I'll do it with my own credentials and see if we get in. Okay, we now have access to GitHub using Selenium, which to someone that's never used it before is quite exciting. From here though, we actually have to create a repository. Based on the login, shouldn't be too difficult, but could be famous last words, so let's try to do that now. Okay, so I have spent a long time trying to get it to navigate to create a new repository. The reason being, when you go to create a repository, you can see here that there's a drop-down menu, and then you select new. And I've tried multiple things in order to get it to open using Selenium, but it's a bit out of my wheelhouse at the moment, and I want to try to get through the rest of this script. So if you have any ideas, please let me know in the comments, or if I push this to GitHub, feel free to make a contribution. But for now, we're just going to navigate, once we've logged in, directly to this create a new repo page. So I accidentally just created a repository whose name is the entire path to the file that I'm working on. On the plus side, it's working. On the bad side, I need to get rid of that. Okay, so we have the script actually creating a repository on GitHub through the terminal now. And it accepts a parameter, in other words, a name for the repository. In this case, I'm just going to choose test. And you can see that it opens Chrome, it'll log me in, it will navigate to create a new repository and fill in the name of the repository which we passed in. Now I've disabled create at the moment just because I've created too many random repositories while testing this, but that's exactly what we want. The only thing now is to create a shell script that will also do the initialization on the local folders. Okay, so we should have the script working now. I'm just going to run it through the terminal once to make sure it works as expected. So git command.sh is our shell script, and then we just need to pass in the argument or the name of our repo. So I'm going with create repo script as the repository name. If I run this, in the background it should log into GitHub. It's going to navigate to create new repository, pass in that name we gave it, and then create the repo. Then if we check this locally, it should have created a new folder with the same argument name and initialized it and created a readme. So if we refresh to see the code on GitHub, you can see that the initial commit has been pushed and the script works as expected. So that about sums it up for this video. If you want to check out the code, I'm going to push it to my GitHub. And if you have any other ideas for Python automation projects, please do let me know and I might try them out. And thank you all for watching.